What I hope for all of you is to be able to shift and lift your perception of life and your relationship to it. Because let's face it, folks, life is about change. It's about change. It's a constant evolution of growth, maturity, change. Sometimes those changes reach towards what we want. We consider those positive. Other times those changes are what we don't want. It's our resistance to change that creates the struggle. There will be time today to do guided meditations to help you unlock the subconscious constraints that create resistance to change so that you can learn what the nature of change is, why you resist, and how you can learn to dance with it. To transition from the limited past that you've been dealing with, the struggle around whatever area of your life you want to change. You're going to learn to transition from that into a new state of being, to be free from what no longer serves you and free to step into your power, free to open up and align with your destiny, with your soul's dreams. So I highly recommend getting a notebook so you can take some notes. Let this be like a personal consultation between you and me to work on healing and beyond healing, receiving greater love so that you can dance with change much more elegantly. Wow, there's lots of people on here. Terrific. Wonderful. Today is going to be a very special day. It's an opportunity for each of us and all of us together collectively. We all are dealing with the very many challenges of life. Life is throwing many people many challenges. It's forcing us that we need to make changes, fundamental changes within ourselves, within the way we think and feel and believe about ourselves, our relationship to life and the world around us. It's time to evolve to a higher octave, to see through the eyes of our soul, to understand the limitations of our ego, not to punish it, not to control it, but to understand it with compassion. Because understanding your ego, rather than trying to imprison it, understanding it allows it to heal and mature so that it can become a liaison, because it is a part of every one of our lives. As long as you're physical, you need to have an ego. When you can understand its nature, it's the part of us that resists change. It's not bad, it's not wrong, it's just trying to protect us. It's trying to make love safe. It's trying to keep love from leaving. It's trying to feel safe and secure. But its methods are very immature. They don't work. Today, you're going to have an opportunity to not just learn some techniques about dealing with change, but to really fundamentally expand your consciousness so that your relationship with change is something you learn to dance with rather than recoil from. You're going to understand why you recoil, and you're going to begin to heal that resistance so that you can evolve and grow and find greater peace, happiness, strength, and fulfillment in your life.